Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody is having a great day so far. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020, and you have music today as your special at 11:45, and it is the 31st day of school. So I've updated our coins. We have 25, then 30, and 31. Nice job. All right, sorry, I dropped something. Before we go on to our schedule for today, if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. Okay. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. So if you would like to, in the comments, if you would like to, you don't have to, but in the comments, if you would like to share an equation that you think is related, in your opinion, in how you think about it, that is related to 3 plus 1. So we worked on that yesterday in math, and I know it was a little tricky, and it's often tricky when there's more than one right answer. There's more than one right way of solving it. So if you want to share a fact that to you is related, that helps you solve 3 plus 1 and then helps you solve that fact, feel free to put it in the comments, or you could just think about it in your head. All right, today for our schedule, coming out this morning, first thing will be a Spelling City practice spelling test. And just a reminder, if you would like to take a practice spelling test on plain paper, and not in place of Spelling City, feel free to do that. You can just snap a picture and send it in. But if Spelling City works for you and you'd like to take your practice test on that, that works as well. So that will be first thing. And then the other thing coming out this morning will be a short vowel assessment. So there are 2 student pages, and what I would like you to please do is on each separate student page, record yourself reading the words on the page. So it's a mix and a review of all the short vowel sounds that we've been working on. And if you could please just do this the best that you can, and do this on your own without any help, just so I can kind of get a better idea of how we're doing with short vowels and maybe what we still need to work on. So if you could just please do that yourself. And if you're stuck on a word or you're not sure, just try to sound it out the best that you can, and then just move on to the next one after you've tried your best. So that's the second thing this morning. And then the third thing you'll see is a math review activity. We don't have an application problem today because we're taking that mid-module assessment this afternoon that we talked a little bit about yesterday. So there is a short review video featuring yours truly, that would be me. And then if you could please go on Zearn for about 10 minutes or so and try to, work through an activity on Zearn. The login information for Zearn was on that tech cheat sheet that we emailed home the second week of school, I believe. If you need your login information, please just let me know and I'll be happy to send it to you if you're unsure. So those are the 3 things: the Spelling City practice test, the short vowel assessment, and then the math review Zearn practice. Then at 10 a.m. we will have our word building, our normal class, live class at 10. If you could please bring these letters, AILNOPST, and a blank dictation paper, that would be great. And then at 1 o'clock we will have our math class live, and that's where we're going to do that mid-module assessment that I've been talking about. So if you could please go into the red folder that was in your first supply box, the first box that you picked up, and if you look in the folder, if you pretty much left things where they were, the mid-module assessment is on this side of the folder, and it should be on the side if you left it, and it's the one that's stapled, and it says mid-module assessment task 1.1, and like I said, it has a staple. The other one does not have a staple. So if you could please just come to class with this this page. There's technically 3 pages. It's stapled and one is 2-sided. If you could just bring this and have it ready to go for our class in the afternoon at 1. We'll do half of it on Thursday today, and then we'll do the other half on Friday. Okay? Sorry about that. Got a phone call. So as I was saying, we'll do part of this today, and then we'll do the other part tomorrow. So you don't need to do anything on it. Just bring the blank copy to class at 1 today. All right, so if you have any questions or need any help, please let me know, and I'll see everybody soon. Thanks. Bye.